Hello everyone, we are three sisters. Today we will tell about a day in our life. Let's go! Now we want to choose a cloth to wear first. Wow, so beautiful! Hello everyone!
Yay!
Oh no, we forgot to wear shoes. Okay, we're ready to walk around the city. Come on, follow us. Hello, my name is Abigail. Today I want to go to the flower shop and play at the playground. Wow, the sun is very hot today. I want to rest first. Hello, my name is Lulu. Today I will go to the ice cream shop because it is summer day. Wow! What flavor of ice cream do you like? Please write a comment. I will not eat here. I feel like something is missing here. I should have brought a chair so I could eat ice cream while sitting. Hello, my name is Sheila. When it's summer like this, I just want to be at home, relax and make grasses. This is a grass I made and I also like planting flowers.
Yay!
This rose is very fragrant. This is a cactus and I just planted it. Now I will go to the flower shop and buy Lily's flower. Hi Abigail, it turns out you are here. Hello, do you want to buy flowers? Yes, I want to buy Lily's flower. Oh no, I'm sorry, I don't have that flower. Yes, it's okay. I will play with Abigail. Hello Abigail. Hello Sheila. It's very hot today. How about we just play at Lulu's home? Okay, come on Abigail. Yes, let's go! Hello, Lulu. Can we Okay, that's a day in our life. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye bye.